You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this fascinating word. I love this word. It's quite long, it's quite confusing, but it's pretty straightforward once you know medical term anatomy. Musculoskeletal, by the way. Let's break it down. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. Musculo, quite easy, the muscles. Skeletal, well, it's actually skeletal or skeletal. Skeletal or skeletal. Musculoskeletal. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. But now, I think you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.